the Foundry. I'm Andi Lew with Press Pass LA, and it's the 32nd Annual Actor Awards. I'm holding the award that Harrison Ford is going to receive for his Lifetime Achievement Award, and I can tell you I'm out of breath. This baby is really heavy. In fact, all of the awards that these actors receive are 12 pounds, so it is true when they pass it around, say, hold my award, it is a heavy thing. So we're just so excited to be here for the official pouring of all the statues.
You see the actors, when they hold it, they're like, oh, geez, that's heavy. And it sort of is. If you go out on the evening afterwards, you're kind of like, will you hold this? Can we set this down?
Right.
No, I tell people it's the weight of your self-worth.
Base of it is marble, is that right? Then we have a wax inside.
Yeah, the wax thing is the coolest part of it. I really want to see how, and then I don't know the name of that material that they wrap it in, that they it's kind of a rotisserie chicken situation.
And everybody felt the heat. It was a really hot process.
Oh yeah, it's almost 2,000 degrees in that oven, so yeah, even 20 feet away, you're going to feel it.
This is an art itself. We're honouring artists, actors, but the pouring of the statues are true art.
That was the idea from the start. We wanted people to take home a work of art that they could display in their home, and it would be cool.
It's really about, all of our artisans doing the best they can at every step. It takes about 10 steps through our manufacturing process to get them out the door.
Right.
And every one of those artisans is a specialist, and they all have to show up and give it their best effort so they can pass it along to the next department so we get a quality piece at the very end.